When it comes to Facebook advertising, the first thing that you're asked is to choose your marketing objective. Right now, there's over a dozen different marketing objectives that you can actually choose for your business. And I can tell you, over 90% of all Facebook advertisers will actually use one kind of objective, which is the conversion. Now, it is true that we should be using conversions for our Facebook ads because we want to tell Facebook specifically to optimize our ad and use their algorithm to get us the lowest cost per lead or cost per purchase, depending on what the conversion is going to be. However, there's a big problem with that. The big problem when it comes to majority of advertisers choosing the conversion objective is that the cost of advertising rise drastically. And because people are getting more and more results with Facebook ads, everyone is choosing the conversion. So if you actually compete with over 6 million Facebook advertisers on going after the conversion objectives, well, guess what? Cost of advertising will go up because ultimately Facebook is an auction platform. Whoever actually are able to afford the most advertising dollar will get their ads delivered. So if you actually look back 4 years ago, the CPM for Facebook ads is so much cheaper compared to nowadays because everyone is going after the same objective. And this is why a lot of people basically say, or to comment and say, hey, when you're first getting started, just run a post-engagement ad. When you run a post-engagement ad, yes, your CPM is going to be so much lower than running a conversion objective because there's a lot of inventory when it comes to post-engagement ad, and it doesn't rely on a lot of the algorithm to actually do its job on optimizing for your conversion. However, when you're choosing post-engagement, the challenge is that you may not actually get your ads in front of those that will most likely submit their lead or to purchase your product. Now, inside Facebook, I shared with you that there's over a dozen different objectives. So if I can't go with conversions, I gotta make sure my conversion rate is super high, that I can afford the expensive advertising, and I can't go into post engagement because I'm not gonna actually get the desired results that I want. What should I do? Well, the answer is simple. There's one marketing objective within Facebook that is mostly overlooked by majority of Facebook advertisers, and it's called Facebook lead ads. Lead ads is actually designed for businesses and online businesses or whatever business that wants to actually generate leads. It is a native form of advertising where you require no website, no landing page, and right within Facebook, you can actually start building an email list and start capturing people's email address. This is by far the best way for you to actually build an email list and actually get leads and also experiencing a lower CPM. Now, right on the screen, I want to show you how this actually works. This is a simple ad that I created. Now, if a typical ad using the typical way with conversions, when someone actually click on this, obviously they are then redirected right into the landing page. It can be an opt-in page to actually get a free copy of a lead magnet. But when you click on here, guess what? Immediately, it will actually, I already submitted my information. Let me refresh this. When I click on here, which I did submit my information already, it basically gives you, let me actually open incognito. There you go. When someone click on the download, it immediately go in and ask for your email address. Now I'm in incognito, obviously you can't do it, but what the beauty is that the email address is pre-populated by the Facebook user's login email address. So what's happening is that, first of all, the person don't need to enter their email again. They simply just need to click the submit button and you instantly have these lead information. Again, I'm able to actually generate leads as little as 6 cents per email subscriber using this method. The CPM is far less than conversion. And if you want to learn more about this, there's a link maybe in the video description or in the post or anywhere near my social media channel or on my website that I'm going to actually dive right into deeper about Facebook lead ads. Seriously, if you have not implemented Facebook lead ad for your business, you definitely want to get the education you need and start testing it for your business, because it is one of the most overlooked advertising strategy within Facebook ads.